Give it a try and enjoy. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. And if this is your very first time with us, welcome. Today I'm showing you how to make a braai marinate. Now I know in other states or countries you refer to a braai as a barbecue, but here in SA we call it a braai. Some countries may refer to it as grilling. Whatever you call it, this braai marinate or a grilling marinate or a grill marinate or a barbecue marinate is for you. Now a quick breakdown of our ingredients. For this marinade you will need some parsley, smoked paprika. Now this will really bring out that smokiness. I'm using Portuguese chicken spice. If you do not have this, you can use any chicken spice you like. I'm using some onion salt. If you just have onion powder, it will work perfectly for this recipe. I'm adding some peri-peri. If you don't have peri-peri, you can use cayenne pepper or any chili spice you have. I'm also using some chili flakes. Now this is going to be a very spicy yet delicious kind of marinade. You also need some Tabasco sauce, some soy sauce. Over here we have some white pepper. If you do not have white pepper, you can add black pepper. We also have some garlic powder and some olive oil. If for some reason you don't have olive oil, you can use any oil you have in your pantry. Now we're just going to mix everything together in the bowl, and after that all you need to do is to rub the marinade into your meat and put it on the grill. Add your Portuguese spice, your peri-peri, followed by your garlic powder. Add in your garlic salt, followed by your chili flakes, your paprika. I'm using smoked paprika for this because I find that it brings out that smokiness. Mix in your spices, give it a stir a little bit. Add in your extra virgin olive oil, Tabasco sauce, and some soy sauce. Now all you need to do is to stir everything together until combined. Then your marinade will be ready. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you what it looks like after marinating the chicken. You want to let it sit aside for about 30 minutes so the marinade can go into your meat. Now my meat has been sitting for quite some time. I'm just going to grill it over fire. Well, my husband is going to do the grilling actually. So my husband is just going to braai this or grill it. Then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Here's our meat, guys. Doesn't it look delicious? Oh, how I wish you could be here to taste. I will do the tasting for you for today. Give it a try and enjoy.